Okay, everybody. Just wanted to do a quick video on phase cancellation for noisy rooms. I'm going to be quiet for a second so you can hear all the obnoxious noise that my mics are picking up. Oh, okay. I was waxing poetic. So check this out. A lot of times we fake ourselves out and say, oh man, I can't track in that room. The highlights and the reflections and the bass sync and, well, you can track just about anywhere. Mixing might be a different story. What you need to make sure you do, though, is you set up a bass recording of the room, and then what you do is you duplicate that and reverse the phase, and what it'll do is it cancel out a lot of the noise for you. So figured I'd show somebody how to do it since I keep telling people how to do it. Alright, so we want to go ahead and record. I'm going to record just the bass line. This is in Luna. It's the same in Pro Tools, same in Logic, so don't sweat it. Okay, so we have our recording of noise. You get the idea. It sounded a lot the same. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to duplicate this track. And when I duplicate the track, one of the features that it does for me is that it says, hey, now I have an exact copy here. So I'm going to mute this so you can go ahead and see that it is an exact copy. Okay. So now that I'm back in narration land, I have a copy of my sound that I have in the room. So I select the room. And the way I like to do this personally is with an SSL. Now, your mileage may vary. It's all sorts of things that do this. But I like the channel strip. And the reason I like the channel strip is this. I'm going to go ahead and play this back for you. And here is the phase button. So check this out. So in reality, you can track a lot of different places because it's not the noise that's there that's the issue. It's what you actually have in your final track. So by having this room, by recording this room first, even if I don't hear anything, it's a good thing to do because I can go ahead, make a duplicate of it, put it in reverse phase, and it essentially cancels the sound out. You might have heard of noise canceling and all these other things. That's what they're doing. They're taking the signal, the baseline signal, and reversing the phase in the way it sounds to us, or its way it's processed by us. It's as if that signal didn't ever appear. Well, I hope this is helpful for people who are trying to track in really noisy situations, and that you are able to make good music. Thank you.